Let's take it straight to a trader. Nick Santiago of In the Money Stocks joining us now. Nick, it's been said, as goes January, goes the rest of the year for the stock market. Tell us what you're thinking about the January stock market.
Well, January is always a very, very tricky month. You have new money coming in. You also have a lot of traders that are skittish from this so-called seasonality that we had. We really didn't have the typical and usual seasonality trends that we're accustomed to seeing in the past. So a lot of traders are very, very skittish going into the new year as well. So I think you got to be very, very cautious, but I would expect a lot of choppiness, much like we saw in December. Anytime I've run into markets that have not had the typical Santa Claus rally or the typical seasonality that we're accustomed to seeing, generally you're going to be in for a choppy January. But that doesn't mean stocks are going to go straight down or straight up. You're just going to have a lot of choppiness, a lot of volatility. And again, I think if you do get a big bounce in January, that will lead to a very, very good sell-off or a very good selling opportunity. So again, just look for a lot more choppiness in this month.
What's your trade of the day, Nick?
Sure. I like Tyson Foods here, TSN. I own shares in it, and I think this stock has put in a pretty decent bottom here.
Thank you so much, Nick.
Thank you so much for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.